everyone, and welcome back to another keto mukbang. I am excited to be back and making my keto videos again. How exciting. What I have here today is chicken tenderloin, and it's got Alfredo sauce and Brussels sprouts. Now the whole thing is even low in fat. The entire pan that I made a whole package of chicken tenderloin, and I don't even know the ounces, but I would say it was about 10 ounces of meat, 10 to 12. So I've got about 6 ounces here because I've split this whole thing into two. Okay, the fat on it was 14 grams, so I've got 7 grams of fat, which is excellent. And then it's got, for the Alfredo sauce, a little bit in the chicken. You know, chicken is low fat. And then for the carb count, it was 24 carbs. So I've got 12 carbs here. I'm doing OMAD again, you guys. Now, I went into just maintenance mode for a while, for about a month while I was doing my move and everything. And just stayed, you know, current weight. Everything was great and all of that. And then the last day before I moved, I ended up having one cheat day. The last day, it's just so hard when you're moving to, you know, do one meal a day and do the mukbangs and all of that. But I did stay keto, but the last day I did have a cheat day, put on a little bit of weight. So I'm back to OMAD now because I do want to get to that ultimate goal. I just put myself into maintenance for a while, just to give myself a break from the OMAD and all that. I was doing like 2 or 3 meals a day, around 1,400 calories a day. But now I am back because I do want to get to that ultimate goal weight. I was only a few pounds from it. And of course I put on a little bit from having that cheat day, which was about a week ago. So, but I'm just excited to be in here now and making these videos for you guys. And I do teach that when doing the keto for weight loss, you want to do lower fat stuff and use your body fat as your energy. Okay, there's 3 forms, and I was taught by professionals. So it is for losing weight, gaining weight, and maintaining weight. That's how you do it for keto. So somebody trying to gain weight would eat, you know, about 200 grams or more of fat a day, especially if you're working out. Somebody that's in maintenance would do a moderate amount, and somebody like me, or, well, not like me because I'm pretty thin, but I am trying to lose right now, so I'm using the rest of my body fat that I have left. But somebody that's very obese would use your body fat as your energy. You're going to feel amazing. It's going to give you all the energy you need, because a lot of people get taught the wrong way of keto, is just they think everybody's supposed to eat the same way and eat lots of fat. It is a high fat diet, but it also is high fat if you're using your body fat, because obviously you have high fat on your body if you are overweight, obese, whatever. You definitely have the high fat on your body then, and people get misunderstood with that. You want to use your body fat as your energy source. So, and you will feel amazing. I've been doing it this way for, 4 years. I've been keto. When I was doing it to lose weight, I used my body fat. I was taught that way by my doctor and 2 of my nutritionists, and they are professionals on keto because I go to a clinic to see them. And then my brother has taught me too. He also does this professionally. But other than that, that's, so I like to teach the proper way, because a lot of people don't understand keto. They just think everybody jumps in and everybody eats lots and lots of fat. In the beginning, you can definitely do that. You will still lose. But if you want to get it out quicker and you want to lose it and not, have to maintain or stall at a weight loss for so long and take a long time. It took me 13 months to lose 150 pounds, and now I've been basically, like I said, maintaining for a while, and then I decided to do OMAD for a while just to get a few more pounds off. I had maintained at 139 for a long time, and I want to see myself in the 120s. I was almost there, you guys, and then I went into maintenance, stayed the same weight for a while. I ranged between 132 and 135. I do want to see the 120s. I did put on a little bit when I had that cheat day. So that's why I'm back to OMAD now, because now I'm all moved and ready for this, and I'm really going to go strong, and I'm going to get to that goal weight in the 120s. I'd like to see myself there. I'm 5'2", and I am 43 years old. So, but anyways, I'm just happy to have all the new subscribers. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you will be notified of all these wonderful keto meals that I make and the teachings that I give you guys. And also give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying my videos. I also do load nails, toe designs, and outfits of the day. Since this channel started off as Angel's Heavenly Nails, I had mentioned one day about keto, and it just went viral. Everybody was asking me questions about it. So, but anyways, I'm just glad to be back, excited. It was a lot of work. 21 years living in one place was a long, long time, and there was a lot to do. And I am now living over here with my husband in my brother's home. So a lot of our stuff had to go into storage and everything. Sorry that this is the setup now. Hopefully you guys can see me good. This is where it'll be, where I'll do the mukbangs. I hope the lighting is good. And then when I do my nails and stuff, they'll be down in my salon. If you didn't get a chance to see that salon tour, I do have a video on that. Just look in my playlist under miscellaneous, I believe it is. You'll get a tour of the home that I live in now, and my nail salon is awesome. So, but anyways, we're talking keto now, so let's get on to that. And like I said, what I've done here is taken the whole package of the tenderloins, like I said, was about 10 to 12 ounces. So I have 5 to 6 ounces of meat here. I've done a whole bag of Brussels sprouts and a half a jar. The jar was one of those larger sizes. I'll put in the ounces when I show you the slideshow, because I always do a slideshow at the end of how much was in that can, and in the jar, and I used half of that. So the fat was, and it's not real high fat on, it's a 4 cheese Alfredo. I thought it would be higher, but it's not. So for the whole thing, it was 14 for the Alfredo sauce. And then of course, it'd be a little bit of fat in the chicken. Not much though, because it's chicken. So I would guess I probably have about 10 grams of fat here. And then I have 12 grams of carb, because it was 24 for the whole entire thing. I am just drinking water since I'm OMAD again now. And I've been drinking a lot of diet soda and had that cheat day a week ago. So I really want to flush everything out of me, because really what you gain when you have a cheat day is just water, because how much could we really consume in a day, right? So, but anyways, and I don't recommend doing a lot of cheat days. I did wait until I hit maintenance mode. Once I had lost all of my weight, about 13 months in, then I had a few cheats. And in almost 4 years, I've only had 8 cheat days in 4 years. Yes, you guys, that's it. I really stick to plan, and I'm really good with it. So, but I love the way I eat. I mean, come on. You have to admit, this doesn't even look like a diet, you know? It's delicious. We're just cutting out the grains and the sugars. Foods are so good. And when you get to maintenance, it's even better, because you get to eat higher fats, and you get to eat the, the cheeses and the butters and the oils and all of that. Now, I have not cooked this in anything. I just put the chicken in a container. I'll show it at the end. You'll see the slideshow. I put over the Brussels sprouts, and then over the top of that, I did the half a jar of Alfredo. I cooked it for 60 minutes on 350. After it had 20 minutes left, when it was at 20 minutes left, I went in and mixed it all really good, and I'll show a picture of that too. And then I, continued to cook it for another 20 minutes. So it did take 60 minutes to cook all of this, but absolutely delicious. And I just have salt and pepper on it, and I use pink salt. Pink salt is the best one on keto, and it's important to get your sodium in. We need 35 to 4,000 milligrams of sodium a day. Since this is a diuretic diet, you will go to the bathroom a lot, especially in the beginning. So if you're just starting keto, make sure you keep your salt levels up, because you want to watch those electrolytes, because you'll get headaches and you won't feel good and all of that. You know that you need salt. You can do pickle juice. You can do bouillon cubes, chicken or beef, or the best way is just to take a teaspoon of pink salt, I believe it is, with 2 liters of water, and drink it down, and that will help you to feel better and get rid of that headache. It's important to keep your salt in, you guys. Very, very, very important. So, and pink salt is the best one. Use pink salt or sea salt. They are the best. So, and they sell them at the dollar store. I got pink salt at the dollar store, a great big one. So cheap, awesome. So anyways, I am excited to try this. It looks great. And then, like I said, I'm just having water. So let's go ahead and try this. I have kind of cut this meat up. I probably should have grabbed a knife. Oh, I love the Alfredo on it. Doesn't that look good? You guys, sorry if the lighting is so bright. Oh my gosh, it's so yummy. I love chicken. That is delicious. Very flavorful. That's what I'm saying. Keto is just amazing. It's so delicious. Oh, and I'm hungry. I haven't eaten all day. This is my first meal for the day, and it will be my only meal for the day. So, but I am thin, and I only need, now, you want it, here's how you always do it. Protein is half your current body weight. So whatever your current body weight is, like let's say a person was 200, they'd eat 100 grams of protein a day. I only need, because I'm 130 some pounds, I only need around 60 to 70 some grams. So that's it for a day. And then of course your fat grams, you want to keep that low if you're trying to lose fat, otherwise moderate if you're maintaining, or if you're trying to gain, you want to eat more. And then the carb is always 20 or less. So, and you want to keep it around 6 or less in one meal. If you're, your meals, if you're doing one meal a day, then you can have more. I have 12 here. So, but anyways, people were asking questions on that, about, what was it? They were asking me a question on, oh, just getting started. Like, should they do one meal a day? You absolutely can do one meal a day. But to get yourself into ketosis faster, I recommend that you eat a lot of fat and a lot of meat, and try to keep the carb really low for the first 3 to 5 days. You'll get in keto really fast. You can kind of skip some of those. Some people have the keto flu and stuff. You can skip all of that. If you eat higher fats, it'll get you in there quicker. Then, of course, lower down and eat lower lean meats and all of that. So, but yes, anybody can do one meal a day. It's very good to do intermittent fasting. At least go 16 hours without food and eat in an 8-hour window. So 2 or 3 meals, but close that window at nighttime, and then don't eat again for 16 hours. This is so good, you guys. Oh, so yummy. So how is everyone? I missed you guys so much. Trying to show new and interesting meals for you guys. I will come up with some great ones. Some might be repeated, but just made differently. This chicken is so tender. And I love Brussels sprouts. When you're doing keto, greens are the best. You want to stay away from, I don't really eat tomatoes and onions. You can have it a little bit, but kind of watch them because they're a little higher carb. But greens are really great for you. And no fruits except for berries. And even watch the berries because they can add up carb really quick. Like one large strawberry is 1 carb. Oh my gosh, this is so yummy. Sorry guys. A little bit of gristle there. So I have missed you guys so much. I don't like the gristle. I'm sorry guys. Don't mean to be gross here. So what's new in all of your guys' life? Send me a message down below. What are you guys eating? And if you have any questions or would like help on keto, free of charge, I'd love to help you. I do put my email in every one of my boxes. Just shoot me an email and I'll get all of you started on what macros would be perfect for you on your current weight, age, gender, all of that. Oh, I'm so glad to be done with this movie, you guys. Oh my gosh. That was one tough move. It was sad too after 21 years. It was actually my first place I had lived. Because I was 21 when I moved in there. Yeah, 21. So I was just a child. It was my first place I ever lived. On my own. You know, I had lived at home with friends and stuff, but my first place on my own. And then, of course, my current husband now lived with me there for the last 8 years. So, yeah. It was sad. Very, very, very sad to say goodbye to it. I cried. But like I said, on to bigger and better things. We're currently here at my brother's for a lot of reasons. One, to be able to, you know, save money. Two, to help him out because he is a single father raising 3 boys. So it's a lot of reasons why we're here. And I love it here. So good. Very filling too. And if you do one meal and you want to keep that window open a little longer, you can. You know, if you can't get all your food in, you can keep your window open, you know, 2 hours, 4 hours, whatever you want. You can finish this up later if you couldn't finish it. So I usually do just one and close it. And I don't eat for 24 hours then. I love Brussels sprouts. I already said that. Oh. Yeah, this is Alfredo sauce and it's so good. So yeah, still unpacking and doing a few things. Don't have too much more to do. But yes, I was so tired after that move. I just was exhausted. There was so much to do. Just so much to do after 21 years. You just don't realize how much stuff you have. I did throw a lot out. But wow. A lot of memories. My kid was only a few months old when I moved in, and my kid's about to be 21 in May. Oops. Sorry, like I said, I don't like any kind of gristle or anything. I get grossed out by that. This is absolutely divine. Definitely try this out. Hope you guys enjoyed that treat. I know it wasn't anything too fancy. I'm sure a lot of you guys eat it like that, but some people didn't realize about putting, or didn't think to put the two together. So good. If you didn't see that, definitely check it out. It was Tuesday's video. Keto treat. I'm so full. Sorry. Allergies, always for me. Always blowing my nose. All done. That's just, like I said, just a little bit of gristle and stuff. I can't eat that. But anyways, oh my gosh, that was so yummy. Definitely try that one out. It was absolutely delicious. Definitely go into my playlist and look at all my keto mukbangs. I've got lots of recipes. I hope one day to write a book and of my treats too. So definitely look into my playlist and check out the keto mukbangs that I've done with recipes and all that. They all have recipes. I've also made it simple for you guys with a slideshow in my video. Plus down below I've wrote down all the ingredients and how to make it, so I make it easy for you guys. And of course my treats too. And then of course don't forget about my nails, toes, and outfits of the day. So anyways, I will see you guys later today at 6 p.m. for the live. I can't wait to see all you guys. Get ready with your keto questions. And I guess that's it. I'm going to head out because I still got a few things I got to do for the evening. But I can't wait to see you guys this evening, and we'll go over questions and answers for keto. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers. I do appreciate it, and hope my channel continues to grow and we can get, you know, not have any more breaks now. Hopefully we can just do these videos, right? I love all of you guys very much. Everybody take care. God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload. And remember to always keep it keto.